Our adjustable tilting shield is an easy solution for keeping your food and beverage safe from airborne contaminants. The thick, clear acrylic panel provides protection while allowing guests an unobstructed view to the items on display. Made from a shatterproof ABS plastic, the base stands securely and offers an easy-to-clean platform. The shield is adjustable by 4 removable hex screws and features 16 different angle options to tailor the configuration to your specific needs. This adjustable shield is a versatile safety solution designed to reduce the spread of germs with a myriad of applications. Now available at Displays2go.com.